threatening somebody's cat. The cat owner doesn't feel it was a threat, but they took that pretext to convince him of to convict the guy of witness tampering. And people laugh. It's not actually funny when you go to jail for 9 years for threatening to whack somebody's cat, allegedly. And even if we were to take that seriously, do you know who skates for cat whacking? Associates of Bill Clinton. Do you remember Kathleen Willey? Kathleen Willey was this lady who went to see Bill Clinton because her husband had committed suicide, and Clinton was consoling her, and as is his wont, his condolences got a little bit carried away, and he started groping her breasts. He sexually assaulted Kathleen Willey when she'd gone to see him to be comforted over the loss of her husband. Kathleen Willey alleged that the Clintons had had her cat whacked. I think the cat's name was something like Blarney, some kind of Irish name, Blarney. And she actually had evidence of it in the sense that somebody left a cat skull on her porch outside her front door. And nobody did anything. Everybody, all the left-wing media at the time, all your Nation and Mother Jones and all whatever it was back then, they were all laughing at it. Did you see what these Clinton haters are reduced to now? They're claiming that Clinton has your cat whacked. You know, Roger Stone is looking at 9 years in jail because the federal government got him on threatening to have your cat whacked.